Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be teaching you how to draw like kind of a begging sad face. And also I'm so sorry for not being on for a while. I'm going to be on a lot more. I'm probably going to post 10 videos a week, maybe. I might be busy. Okay, so this is kind of a frowning begging face, I think. I honestly have no idea because it looks like that, but she also looks like she dropped her ice cream. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to outline the circle with black, but you can make it as perfect as you want. I'm just trying to make it perfect so I can do a good example. It doesn't have to be perfect for you guys, but there we go. That was actually pretty perfect. Okay, then what you're going to do is color it in, but I have this thingy right there because I'm using an app. On every app, there has to be a fill one. Then you're just going to want to draw a frowny face. It's just an upside down U. And then this is my newest eyes I figured out to do. I've seen other people do them. I just didn't know how to build them. Oh, hello, Robin. If you guys know who Robin is, comment below. If you do not, you should definitely watch that video. He is my new baby kitten, and he is so cute. He's a black tuxedo cat. Okay, you have to make it kind of circular, but also kind of fat. Like that type of eye. Oh no, okay, wrong one. Okay, so then you're gonna want to do the other eye. I'm also gonna try to make this one perfect. And then this is actually super easy. You're gonna wanna color them in. I know it seems wrong, but it is not wrong. This is exactly how you're supposed to do it. It's just harder for me on an app, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this little tiny part. Okay, I am back, guys, and next thing we're going to want to do is take out your white and then just do a big dot like that. Just a big dot. And then you want to do another big dot on the other eye. You can just keep it like that or make it even cuter. You just have to do two tiny white ones. I'm just going to make them a little thicker so you can do that. See, and there is our frowning begging face emoji. I have no idea what it's called. Well, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.